Oh, stadium truck. Looks like that's Gonzo out in front. I think that's Fernando's second. Fernando puts some pressure on Gonzo, working their way through that S corner there. Alright, looks like Fernando's out in front now. Gonzo Fernando battling down the front straight there. Oh, looks like Matt stuck it into the pipe there. Alright, 5 minutes remaining, drivers 5 minutes. Looks like Gonzo took over first from Fernando here. Battling our way through the center section, up and over that Dragon's back. Oh, both trucks up and over the double. Oh, Gonzo upside down, your leader. Fernando gets around him. Alright, so looks like we got Fernando, Gonzo, Derek, Matt, then Mr. M. Fernando pretty far out in front here. Gonzo trying to find him. Derek trying to work his way up in third here. Matt's right there in that fourth place spot, putting pressure on Derek. Oh, Matt cartwheeling it down the front there. Oh, keeps it on all fours. Oh, Fernando stuck up on the pipe there. Gonzo's getting to get a little closer to him. Oh, Fernando, your leader, upside down. Gonzo working his way over the Dragon back. Might get around him into the sand pit section here. First and second place, battling up and over the double. Oh, Gonzo off the track there. Alright, Fernando, Gonzo battling down the back there, working their way up over that brand new double on the back straight. Working their way through the S corner. Gonzo has it for now. Fernando putting pressure on him. Working their way through the rhythm section. Oh, Gonzo into the pipe, but he holds on to it. Oh, Fernando's stuck in that same spot again. Both battling up and over the double here, coming into the wagon wheel. Gonzo getting a little sideways. Alright, looks like Derek and Matt battling it out for third here. First and second battling, third and fourth battling. Fernando back out in front here. First, second, third, and fourth, they're all right here working their way through the S corner. With 2 minutes remaining, drivers, 2 minutes remaining. Looks like Fernando, Gonzo, Derek, then Matt, and then Mr. M. Oh, Gonzo, second place, stuck on the pipe there. Looks like Derek moves up to second here. Alright, now looks like Gonzo and Matt will be battling it out for third. Matt has it for now. Fernando's still out in front here. Going to be coming up to some lap traffic of Mr. M here pretty quick. Looks like Derek, Matt, and Gonzo battling it out for second here. Oh, Matt's coming up from behind. Gets a little sideways on that jump, though. Oh, Fernando's stuck on the pipe there. Your leader is stuck on the pipe here. Looks like Matt moved up to second. Gonzo dropped down to fourth. Got just under a minute, drivers. Just under a minute remaining. Looks like Matt moved all the way up to first here. Now he just needs to keep it nice and smooth. Oh, Hernando off the pipe there. Looks like Derek gets around him. And Matt out in front working his way through the sand pit. Going to be jumping up and over that double with that lap traffic.
30 seconds, drivers.
30 seconds, drivers. Hernando and Derek battling. Oh, Hernando off the pipe. Alright, we got 15 seconds, drivers. Looks like Matt's pretty far out in front. Works his way up from the very back here. Looks like Hernando and Derek battling for second. Matt works his way through the S corner into that rhythm section. We got 5 seconds, so you're going to finish the lap you're on, drivers. Finish the lap you're on.
Finish your laps.
Alright, so far it is Matt out in front. Looks like Hernando second, Derek third, Gonzo fourth. Alright, Matt's going to take that win.
5 finished.
Looks like Hernando second.
4 finished.
Looks like Derek in that third spot.
2 finished.
Gonzo dropped back down there. He was leading the race there for a little while. Oh, looks like, oh, Gonzo into the pipe there.
1 finished.
Alright, just waiting on Mr. M to get around here.
3 finished. Race over.
Alright, good race, drivers. Good race.